Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and it's chicken soup. So let's get started. Now what I did ahead of time so it wouldn't take up so much time, you can cook your chicken any way you want to. You can put it in one of these Instant Pots, or I don't have Instant Pot, I have some other brand. But you have 5 chicken breasts, and you have 3 ribs of celery cut up, not real fine, but just chopped up. And then you have 2 carrots chopped up. And you put all of that in with your chicken and cover it with water, and you cook that until it's tender. So I have already done that. So this is a chicken that I've cooked, and when you get through, you throw the celery and the carrots away, and then you start out with just your chicken in this pot we're going to cook it in. This is 1 onion I've already chopped up, 15 ounces of chicken broth, we got 1 can of cream of chicken soup goes in this too. We have 2 cups of potatoes chopped up, and you don't have to do them real fine. Some black pepper just to taste. Now here's the salt. We're just going to guess at this. 1/4 cup of parsley chopped up. This is some parsley I raised in my little arrow garden. Anyway, it raises more stuff than you think it would, and I cut it and put it in the freezer. Well, we have a dash of this nature's seasoning. I think you just have to kind of guess at it. Now we're going to put this on the stove. We're going to cook it until the potatoes get done. I think I'm going to put it on a kind of a medium-low heat. We don't want it to cook too fast, and I'm going to put a lid on it. Maybe those potatoes will cook a little faster. If you think it's a little low in chicken broth, just add you a little more chicken broth to it. It won't hurt. We're going to let this cook until the potatoes are tender, and I'm guessing after it starts to boil, I'd say 20 minutes, but we'll check that out. So we're just going to leave this here and let it do its own thing, and we'll be back with you. Now our chicken soup is finished. It really tastes good. We hope you try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I'll see you on another video. Hopefully I'll see you on another video. Thanks a lot for watching.